Creating opportunities in sales is the only way that you can predict your own income. It's not enough for the company to provide you leads and live solely off of those and achieve every goal that you need to achieve. Let's walk through how you can get in front of more people, as many people as possible, to sell your product and service to. Number one is installation visits. If you're part of a company that has some sort of implementation process or installation, then you need to be available for that and show face. Make it a priority to be a part of that and shake your customer's hand again. Along the same vein of that is give a great customer experience, because not only are you in sales, but the customer is buying you, so they're expecting some sort of good experience out of this, everything that you promised them. So I think you being available when you need to be available is just as important. When you do show up to that implementation or installation, ask for referrals. If you don't ask, you don't get. It's as simple as that. And also provide them maybe 2 to 3 business cards to keep it simple, or a follow-up process so that you can continue to get referrals from them. Number 2 is what I call a PSA, or public service announcement. It's where you visit 3 to 4 neighboring businesses or neighboring homes on either side of the person that you just sold or the company that you just sold. This is not very difficult, and it takes you about 10 or 15 minutes just to knock on a door. If you are out of sight, you're out of mind. It's called obscurity, and obscurity is a salesperson's biggest problem when it comes to their existing customers to give them referrals. Set up an auto drip campaign through an email system to where they get emails from you maybe every 50 days, 60 days, 70 days for at least a couple of years. That way, they're always thinking of you for the next project, or they're always thinking of you for somebody else that they can refer you to. This next one is my favorite. It is joining a local chamber of commerce or a networking group. First, I'll go into what is a chamber of commerce, if that's the route that you'd like to go. A chamber of commerce whole job is to build local businesses up. So you're going to meet a ton of affluent people in your community. These are other business owners. These are financial planners, realtors. Everybody is the who's who. So if you live in a community that you see a billboard of someone's face that sells homes, more than likely they're going to be a part of that chamber of commerce. This is why I like that, because it lets you connect with the people in your community who are making a difference, and people know who they are. The other great thing about this is it doesn't take much time. I mean, you can spend anywhere from 2 to 4 hours a month doing this. All you need to do is go to your local Chamber of Commerce website, look at their calendar, and see when their networking events are, and just be prepared to give a quick 30-second elevator pitch of what you do, hand some business cards over, and you're done. The other thing I like to do is every time I sell a job, I send a personalized letter to that client or customer, thanking them for their business. You can also drop your business card in, or maybe a couple of coupons for something local and fun that they can go do. What else can you do to stand out from everybody else in your industry? So I want to challenge you. Write down some things that you could do that goes above and beyond what everybody else in your industry or any of your peers are doing.